Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a bikini haul for you guys. Sadly, summer is like slowly coming to an end, so I wanted to just show you guys some of my last few swimsuits that I made on my last Shein order, and yeah, maybe give you guys some ideas on what you guys would want to order from Shein, because I got some really cute stuff, so stay tuned. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and comment your favorite swimsuit down below, and let's just get right into it. So this is the first swimsuit that I got with this cover up. Thought it was really cute. This swimsuit might be a little scandalous for some. It's kind of a little too scandalous for me, but if I was to wear it to a pool party or something, I'd wear it with this cardigan over it. I thought it was really cute together. But yeah, so it's just white and it's kind of like a halter material, and it ties in the middle. I thought it was really cute. So yeah, this is the first one. First swimsuit, and they had a lot of different colors. I was torn between this one and the black one, but I chose the white. I thought the white looked really cute. So yeah, this is the first swimsuit. Throw a colorful one in there. I love me a colorful swimsuit. So it has these little cute I don't even know what they're called, rings, I guess. There's one on the two on the side and then one in the middle, which I think is super duper cute. I love this swimsuit, and I love the colors and everything. It's really cute, and I've never seen a swimsuit like that. I think the tan lines would be super cute too because of the rings. But yeah, the only thing I will say is it's hard to keep them in place. Like when you're wearing them, I want it to stay in a certain place, so it's kind of hard to keep them in place if you are somebody like me who adjusts your swimsuit a lot. But yeah, other than that, I really like this one. So alright, next up is this really cute hot pink swimsuit. It's super cute. It's kind of plain, and if I was you girls, I would size up on the tops if you have like larger boobs, because I feel like I could have maybe sized up, but I hate it because Shein doesn't let you do like one size for the top, one size for bottom. So, and all the bathing suits are a medium. But yeah, so this is the pink bathing suit. Alright, and then this swimsuit comes with pants. I thought these were so cute. I feel like this is such a perfect swimsuit combination to wear to like a pool party or something. I think it's really cute. They fit me really good, and there was like all different colors. I obviously chose pink because that's my favorite color, but there was red, there was blue, there was like all types of cute colors. But I really like this, and like I said before, the only thing about this swimsuit is I would size up. That's all, but other than that, super duper cute. Love the pants, and I love the way that the little sides like blow in the wind and stuff. I think this is so cute. Alright, so that does conclude my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this swimsuit haul. I didn't have a lot of swimsuits, but the ones that I did have were quality swimsuits. Really cute. I highly recommend them. I will link all of them, all the links to them down below. Yeah, just a mini bikini haul, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and just comment your favorite swimsuit down below. I really hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys next time.